how to design a powerful, engaging course professionally. The secret is in this two-car logo. One is the famous Mercedes, the other is BMW. So what do I mean? Now take a closer look of the logo of Mercedes and you will get an idea that it's divided into three parts. So yes, you can divide a 60-minute training into three parts. And here is its first you teach for 20 minutes or 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes and let your participants to take notes for 5 minutes. And next you give them two exercises to do on the spot. And the last 20 minutes you get them to review the what you learned or discuss, right? That complete the 60 minute. Now you find that maybe you don't always use this setting. You can also divide it into four parts, and that's why I call the BMW method. Teaching, note taking for 15 minutes, and then the next 15 minutes exercise, and the next 15 minutes exercise plus partner sharing, and the last 15 minutes review. So now, why is it that review must be done within the first 60 minutes? Why is it this part is missing? Why? Because most teacher or most trainers don't understand this. I'm just saying most, not everyone. You need to give that time allocate for your participants, for students to review themselves. Turn on the music and let them review. Why? Because it is very important for reviewing. When you review, the student review, then they can pick up, oh, this is something I missed. Oh, that is something I should edit. And I can relate this to something else. If the trainers or the lecturer keep talking, talk for 60 minutes, the trainer is very exhausted. The participant is like, I'm not engaging. So what's so great? I'm not participating to it. I want to participate. So give that ability to participate. And that is one of the tips. One of the not tips. One of the professionals' advice that can give you for designing the world-class, powerful course with the two world-class car brand logo. Every time you see a Mercedes, you remember you can divide a course into three parts. Or you prefer to drive a BMW, then you can divide your course into four parts. Either way, your choice. Is the art of designing a great course. I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you.